Almost finally got someone to believe me about those clouds, didn't I? But in the end, Callie just couldn't do it. Probably because those very same clouds tricked her. You know, I haven't seen a single giant robot so far. I expected the place to be crawling with them. Must be hiding those things somewhere. You know, I've been watching you this whole trip. You're pretty good. Maybe even the best. But even the best need help sometimes, and I'd like to find a way to help you. Almost finally...
Take flight!
Well, Chief, it's all up to you now. If you fail, we won't think any less of you. But we won't tell legendary stories of you either. You ready? All right, buddy. Good luck.
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah!
Soon all the Skylands will feel the might of my giant Archean robotic fist!
Dare to try again?
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
Too easy. Take flight. Yes.
I continue to protest the rule of Lord Kaos by laying down my weapon and playing Skystones instead. Would you care to join me? That is nice. Perhaps we will serve as an example to the others.
Life Spellpunk. Inhuman Shield. Archean Crackler. Dragonette. Life Spellpunk. Jawbreaker. Archean Crackler. Blaze Brewer. Life Spellpunk. You win. Stone collected.
An excellent victory. I can only hope your final battle with Lord Kaos goes so smoothly.
Take flight. Oh, yeah.
Doom! 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 This moment about the impending future of Skylands is brought to you by me, Emperor Kaos.
mind if I do? I'm to die for. Jackpot. Ha ha ha! Ha ha! Take flight!
Attention, robotic citizens of Argus! It appears we have a birthday today. One of our elite guards is turning 10,047 years young. Be sure to wish him well on his special day.
Welcome to one of the more magical places in Arcus. Few understood the power of magic, like the Archeans. Of course, even fewer could figure out how to recover the hat in there without being blasted repeatedly by lasers.
Boom shagalaga!
Bolts and lightning.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Take flight! You call that a challenge?
Welcome to one. Deal with the wheel!
Bolts and lightning. Too easy. Woohoo! Yes! Corner! Take flight!
To celebrate my inevitable, complete, and utter conquest, this day shall forever be known as Kaos Day, in honor of me, your ruler. Apologies to anyone who may also be celebrating a birthday.
Of the many mistakes the pirates made with Cutthroat Carnival, underestimating the public's fear of an amusement park owned and operated by pirates, calling it Cutthroat Carnival, selling saltwater taffy, perhaps the worst one was thinking customers would pay money to be locked in a jail and shot by a cannon. Most of them ran screaming, leaving some valuables behind.
bolts and lightning. Don't mind if I do.
Ah, yes. I hoped I'd bump into you. Stocking up before a big battle? A fine idea indeed. Stocking up before... Stocking up before...
Behold! It is I, Kaos. And as you can see, I am awesome! Of course I was always awesome. But now that I have the Fist of Arcist and assume the form of the biggest, most powerful or whatever, I am supremely awesome!
So you probably better start running here. Hey, come back here, you! You can run, but you can't hide! Here are my giant robot fists! Because you found my secret red avalanche button. Well, I can hit buttons too. And now you're trapped, Sky Blunderer. And neither Eon nor any of your idiot friends can save you now.
Why don't you pick on someone your own size?
According to my calculations, he is technically larger than us.
Well, at least it's kind of close, right?
What? You dare challenge me, Robo Kaos? Didn't you hear how awesome I was earlier?
I guess I didn't quite catch that.
Oh, you just made a big mistake. No matter. You want to play tag team, huh? Fine. I will summon my own robot minions. Archeons! Fist of Arcus, shield me from this fool!
Skylander, that's the iron fist of Arcus. Hit it while it's vulnerable. Keep hitting the fist. Good. Watch out for those Archeans.
Bow before my awesome superiority!
Good.
Bow before my awesome superiority! Prepare to be obliterated by the iron fist of Arcus!
Watch out for those Archeans.
Bow before my awesome superiority! That's it! Keep losing!
Hitting the fist.
Didn't like that too much there, did you? Well, you ain't gonna like this either.
I call upon the awesome power of Arcus to destroy you and that stupid Skylander!
didn't realize he has eye lasers.
Well, he probably does now.
Oops. My mistake. Uh-oh. Here come those eye lasers I was talking about. Watch out! And keep hitting the fist. Good. Keep hitting the fist.
Do you enjoy watching your friends lose, Skylander? I am so amazingly indestructible that I can't even contain myself.
Keep hitting the fist. Watch out for those arcades. That's it.
I am so amazingly indestructible that I can't even contain myself. Do you enjoy watching your friends lose, Skylander? All the Skylands will bow before me.
That's it.
I am so amazingly indestructible that what was that?
I don't think so. Now it's time to turn the tables.
I am not familiar with that expression.
Me neither, come to think.
Oh, I see. Now, Skylander, attack his head.
Stop that! Stop it at once! Robot body, do something! Stop hitting my head, stupid Skylander! Stop hitting my head, stupid Skylander! Stop hitting my
to Chaos? Huh?
At last! No! The Iron Fist! Put me down, you fool!
We have to get out of here, Master.
Nonsense! Robot! I order you to...
Wowzers! Looks like the little shrimp is getting away.
Yeah, but I don't think he's gonna get very far.
Robot! Turn around! Why aren't you listening to me?
Sir, I think his power is starting to shut down like the other robots.
Don't be ridiculous, Glumshanks! Robot, do as I command!
3.
That's right! The 3 of us will turn around right now to go back to get my Iron Fist!
2.
Yes! To the island! I just said that! What is wrong with you, Robot?
1.
But I haven't won yet! That's why we need to go back!
It's been a pleasure serving you, Emperor Chaos. All systems deactivating now.
Well, Callie, looks like Skylands is safe once again. Thanks to me.
And what about the Skylanders?
Oh, sure, they help too.
What do you think happened to Chaos?
Oh, I'm pretty sure that guy learned his lesson. A lesson never to mess with the bravest and most handsome, exceptionally charming, and did I say handsome? Pilot in all of Skylands. But you know what's missing in all this, Callie?
No, but I'm sure you're going to tell me.
That's right. You better hold on to something, because here it comes. And ultimate boom!
Well done, Portal Master. Thanks to you, the Legion of Archean war machines is now gone, and the Iron Fist of Arcus is lost forever. As for Chaos, I think he got what he deserved. Skylands is safe, for now. But I have a feeling that more adventures are right around the corner. The journey with your Skylanders and your giants is only just beginning.
That's right. Boom!
Well, that certainly could have gone better. But no matter. I have at least 37 more plans to take over Skylands. Each one more diabolically sinister than the last.
Lord Chaos? Is that who I think it is?
Mother?
Uh-oh.
Just wanted to say that it was a pleasure working with you all once again to save Skylands.
Why, Flynn, what a surprisingly modest thing to say.
Well, I just figured that after such an adventure, maybe it's time to turn over a new leaf. Be a little more humble.
Glad to hear it. But while we've taken down Chaos, there's still plenty for the Skylanders to do, like complete every heroic challenge.
Or beat all my arena challenges.
Or collect every upgrade.
Ooh, or destroy all the clouds.
Skylands is filled with secrets. Secrets are fun.
Well, in that case, I might as well stay the course then, huh? The boom is back!
Sure, you beat Chaos, but it's a much bigger, more evil enemy out there. Bet you think I'm gonna say clouds, right? Well, I am. I know you think I'm crazy as a loon, always going on about clouds, but one day you're gonna realize I was right the whole time. And you're gonna come to me and say, Emmett, you were right. Oh, why didn't we listen? Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, that'll happen. Just occurred to me that now that I've got my giant robot back, I don't have to be talking about clouds anymore. I can go get them myself. Get ready for a cloud war. Sure, you be...